let's test this again. This time I'm going to speak a little bit, and I'm going to just doodle around on the piano playing a few things and see how the sound is. That seems to be more complicated than the actual video. I've got the video set with a lot of kind of softer look to it than a harsh fluorescent lights that I'm using. I'm just using the standard regular office lights. But I think I like how it looks. So here we go, let's try this. I don't know how the sound is going to sound. Take that, piano. That was a mess.